This very handy 2-in-1 blower and vacuum comes with an extension tube, wide nozzle, narrow nozzle, 2 connectors, a hose, and reusable collection bag, and it's compatible with 18 volts Makita battery, or you can buy a battery from the same store as this leaf blower. It's 100% cordless, so it can be used anywhere you need without worrying about plugs and cables. It's compact and lightweight and very powerful. Very easy to use and very handy tool to have at home, in the car or garden, or any other place which needs cleaning. The vacuum cleaner suction is really good, and it's very quick and easy to change it into the blower, and the blower is very powerful enough even for wet leaves.